Text counting effect in Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Alight Motion on your device. Once the application has loaded, press the plus button at the bottom of the screen to create a new project. Next, set your project settings according to your needs. After selecting the settings, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. When the project is ready, press the plus button in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the available options, select Text to add a text layer. Once the text box appears, enter a number instead of regular text. The number that you enter will represent the final value of the count. After entering the number, adjust the alignment of the text according to your preference. Position the text where you want it to appear in your project. Next, select a font that you like by opening the font section and browsing through the available options. Once you have chosen a font, go to the size option and adjust the text size until it looks the way you want on the screen. After setting the size, go to the text color option and choose a color for the number. Select any color that fits the style of your project. Open the Effects section and launch the Effect Browser. Inside the Effect Browser, search for the 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘 effect. Once you find it, apply the effect to your text layer. After adding the effect, look through the available presets and select Quick Count Up. This preset automatically animates the number from a lower value up to the number that you entered in the text layer. After applying the preset, preview the animation to see the counting effect in action. The text will automatically increase until it reaches the final number that you specified earlier. If you want the count to end at a larger or smaller number, simply edit the text layer and replace the current number with a different value. Once the number, text settings, and 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘 effect have been configured, you finally manage to add a text counting effect in Alight Motion.